Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn chapter 1 of class 2, that is numbers up to 1000. In this chapter we learn identify the numbers up to 1000, recognize and sequence the numbers, rearrange the numbers in ascending and descending order, understand the concept of place value, compare the numbers. Numbers up to 1000, numbers in hundreds. We will learn to read and write numbers in hundreds according to their place value. Look at the picture in abacus. In hundreds place there are 6 beads, in tens place 0 beads, in ones place 0 beads. Now we can read it as 600 in words. In numbers we can write it as 600. It can be written as 600. Look at the place value chart. We have 0 in ones place, 0 in tens place and 6 in hundreds place. Look at the another picture here. We have 7 beads in hundreds place, 0 beads in tens place and 0 beads in ones place. Now we can read it as in words 700. We can write in numerals 700, that is 700. Now the place value chart is looks like in ones place we have 0, in tens place we have 0, in hundreds place we have 7. Look at the another picture here. In the abacus we have 8 beads in hundreds and 0 beads in tens place and 0 beads in ones place. We can written as in words as 800. We can written it in numerals as 800, that is 800. Look at the place value chart. We have 0 in ones place and 0 in tens place and 8 in hundreds place. Look at the another picture here, abacus chart. We have 9 beads in hundreds place, 0 beads in tens place, 0 beads in ones place. We can read it as in words 900. We can written in numerals as 900, that is 900. Look at the place value chart here. 0 in ones place, 0 in tens place and 9 in hundreds place. Look at the another picture here. Look at the thousands place. We have 1 bead, 0 beads in hundreds place, 0 beads in tens place and 0 beads in ones place. We can read it as 1000 and its numeral is 1000 and it can be read as 1000. Look at the place value chart here. 0 in ones place and 0 in tens place and 0 in hundreds place and 1 in thousands place. Learning to form numbers. Examples. Example 1. Write the expanded form, place value and the number name. Look at the picture here. We have 8 beads in hundreds place and 7 beads in tens place and 9 beads in ones place. The number shown in the abacus is 879. It can be written as 800s plus 7 tens plus 9 ones. The expanded form of the number is 800 plus 70 plus 9. The place value of the given number is, we have 9 in ones place, 7 in tens place, 8 in hundreds place. The number name is 879. Example 2. Write the expanded form, place value and the number name. Look at the picture here. We have 6 beads in hundreds place and 9 beads in tens place and we have 3 beads in ones place. The number shown in the abacus is 693. The expanded form of the number is 600 plus 90 plus 3. The place value of the given number is, we have 3 in ones place and 9 in tens place and 6 in hundreds place. The number name is 693. Example 3. Write the expanded form, place value and the number name. Look at the picture here. We have 9 beads in hundreds place and 4 beads in tens place and 1 bead in ones place. The number shown in the abacus is 941. The expanded form of the number is 900 plus 40 plus 1. The place value of the given number is, we have 1 in ones place and 4 in tens place and 9 in hundreds place. The number name is 941. Compare the numbers using less than, greater than or equal to. Bit A 781 and 578. Now compare the digits in hundreds place 7 and 5. Here 7 is greater than 5. Now we'll put greater than symbol in between 781 and 578. Bit B 847 and 654. Now compare the digits in hundreds place 8 and 6. Here 8 is greater than 6. Now we'll put greater than symbol in between 845 and 654. Bit C 757 and 757. Now compare the digits in hundreds place 7 and 7. Here 7 equals to 7. Now we'll put equal to symbol in between 757 and 757. Bit D 684 and 557. Now compare the digits in hundreds place 6 and 5. Here 6 is greater than 5. Now we'll put greater than symbol in between 684 and 557. Bit E 957 and 975. Now compare the digits in hundreds place 9 and 9. Here 9 equals to 9. Again compare the digits in tens place 5 and 7. Here 5 is less than 7. Now we'll put the symbol less than in between the numbers 957 and 975. Bit F 811 and 511. Now compare the digits in tens place 8 and 5. Since 8 is greater than 5, we'll put greater than symbol in between 811 and 511. Bit G 657 and 576. Now compare the digits in hundreds place 6 and 5. Here 6 is greater than 5. Now we'll put greater than symbol in between 657 and 576. Bit H 678 and 678. Now compare the digits in hundreds place 6 and 6. Here 6 equals to 6. Now put the equal to symbol in between 678 and 678. Fill in the blanks with the correct place value. Bit A, place value of 7 in 573 is tens. Bit B, the place value of 1 in 971 is ones. Bit C, the place value of 6 in 608 is hundreds. Bit D, the place value of 2 in 924 is tens. Bit E, the place value of 1 in 321 is ones. Bit F, the place value of 7 in 879 is tens. Bit G, the place value of 9 in 981 is hundreds. Rearrange the given numbers in the ascending order. Bit A 828, 782, 362, 924, 640. Its ascending order is 362, 640, 782, 828, 924. Bit B 702, 192, 854, 998, 101. Its ascending order is 101, 192, 702, 854 and 998. Bit C 362, 232, 516, 815, 518. Its ascending order is 232, 362, 516, 518, 815. Rearrange the given numbers in the descending order. Bit A 589, 985, 859, 781, 624. Its descending order is 985, 859, 781, 624, 589. Bit B 514, 847, 925, 157, 684. Its answer is 925, 847, 684, 514, 157. Bit C 855, 754, 284, 968, 327. Its answer is 968, 855, 754, 327, 284. Write the numbers from 879 to 908. The numbers are starting from 879, 880, 881, 882, 883, 884, 885, 886, 887, 888, 889, 890, 891, 892, 893, 894, 895, 896, 897, 898, 899, 900, 901, 902, 903, 904, 905, 906, 907 and 908. Write the number names for the following numbers. Bit A 892, its number name is EIGHT 8, HUNDRED 100, NINETY 90, TWO 2, 892. Bit B 669, its number name is SIX 6, HUNDRED 600, SIXTY 60, NINE 69. Bit C 507, its number name is FIVE 5, HUNDRED 500, SEVEN 7, 507. Bit D 999, its number name is NINE 9, HUNDRED 900, NINETY 90, NINE 999. Bit E 1000, 1000, that is ONE1 THOUSAND 1000. Which numbers come after, between and before the given numbers? Bit A 581. The number come after 581 is 582. Bit B 612 and 614. The number come in between the given number 612 and 614 is 613. Bit C, the given number is 785. The number come before the given number 785 is 784. Bit D, the given numbers are 792 and 794. The number come in between the given number 792 and 794 is 793. Bit E, the given number is 990. The number come after 990 is 991. Bit F, the given number is 862. The number come before the given number 862 is 861. Match the number name to the correct number. Column A and column B are given. Column A 783, B 913, C 641, D 852, E 512. Column B 1 852, 2 512, 3 783, 4 913, 5 641. Now the matching is A 3, B 4, C 5, D 1 5 2.